Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will help you jumpstart a Volvo XC60. Before you begin, always prioritize safety. Make sure both vehicles are completely off and in park or neutral. It's also wise to wear safety glasses and gloves to protect your hands and eyes. Take a moment to inspect both batteries for any cracks, leaks, or corrosion. If you see any damage, do not proceed with the jumpstart. Now, let's connect the jumper cables. First, take one red positive clamp and securely attach it to the positive terminal of the dead Volvo XC60 battery. Next, connect the other red positive clamp to the positive terminal of the working vehicle's battery. Then, take one black negative clamp and connect it to the negative terminal of the good battery. For the final connection, attach the remaining black negative clamp to an unpainted metal surface on your Volvo XC60 away from the battery. This creates a good ground. Once all clamps are connected, start the engine of the working vehicle and let it run for about 5 minutes. This allows the good battery to transfer some charge. After this, try starting your Volvo XC60. Once your Volvo XC60 starts, it's time to disconnect the cables in reverse order. First, remove the black negative clamp from the dead car's metal surface. Then, disconnect the black negative clamp from the good battery. Next, remove the red positive clamp from the good battery, and finally, detach the red positive clamp from your Volvo XC60 battery. Let your car run for at least 15 minutes to recharge.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.